Assalamu alaikum pretty viewers, Ramadan Mubarak. It's me, MD Pranto, who is the English learner. Every day, I attempt to speak English fluently because this is my passion, and I have made it a habit to speaking English every day when I get time. Even if I don't make time, I manage my time to practice English. Actually, practicing English is really fascinating when you attempt to learn practically, when you feel enjoy. But if you don't feel enjoy, you never able to enhance your English pronunciation. That's why if you want to learn spoken English, learn it practically with enjoy. Actually, today I am very glad because this time this fiber virtual price is really expensive, which is best for the present who would like to cultivate the fiber ritual. As you can see at this moment, I'm staying here in my fiber ritual field, and this is betel leaf, as you can see. And the betel leaf has been harvested in the morning by me and my brother-in-law, and at noon my brother-in-law went in the market to sell this leaf, and today this piperitol leaf rice is really costly. That's why again I have come here to see this field everything is perfect or not, and I have come here to see this field as well as at this moment I'm speaking English to learn spoken English so that I can learn so that I can become a good at English speaker. Actually, at this moment, my English level is a intermediate or upper intermediate, but I wanna learn advanced level English. That's why I don't want to make it delay to practice English every day. Actually, before few months ago, almost 6 months ago, this leaf price was really low. That's why the peasant the peasant are to suffer a lot for this fiber ritual. That's why many people couldn't cultivate this leaf properly. As a result, this time this fiber ritual price is increasing day by day. That is a really good thing for me because I'm a learner as well as I'm a peasant. I would like to cultivate on my cropland. Actually, I live in a countryside area. That's why I'm obedient to cultivate this leaf, and I have another lands where I like to cultivate another foods. Actually, my father is not capable to work. That's why my family totally depend on my activity. Though this is really difficult for me, but I feel enjoy because God has a plan that must be better for me in the future. So you should pray for me so that I can keep running behind my dream. I can keep practicing every day. I can increase myself every day. Mercy. Pray for me. See you again another day, another videos.